Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be working with a contact lens company called ICOICE. Here is how the contacts come packaged, and it also comes with this cute little brochure showing you how to apply and remove the contact lenses. So they come in these flat boxes with the names on the front and of course your vision on the side area. So they also came with these contact appliers and tweezers, so you can use these to apply the contacts, and you can use the tweezers to pick up the contact lens out of the contact case. So here's the contact lens case. So the fishbowl side is the right side and the smaller side is for the left side. So right now I am applying the first one called 𝗬𝗘𝗔𝗥 Brown, and I'm going to show you guys an up close of me trying this one on. As you can see, a one without and one with the contact lens in. My eyes watered up a little bit, but sometimes that happens when you first put it in. But I do love how it looks natural. This gives off a Hazel brown look, so it does look natural, and I really love that about these ones. So the next ones I'll be applying are called Russian Brown. So these ones, in my opinion, give off a light almond brown. I really like these ones as well. These ones look very natural as well. All of the ones that I chose, I wanted sort of a natural look, but pops a little as well. So yes, I feel like these give off like a light almond brown. Very pretty, natural. So the next ones I'll be applying is called Sin Brown. Oh, and by the way, I prefer to use my fingers. I've been wearing contacts for quite a few years, and I just prefer to use my fingers. It's a lot easier for me. So these ones are really, really light. I feel like these ones give off like a exotic look. But I really do like these because they pop a little bit more than the first two. So the next one that I'm applying, I believe is called Hidrocor. Yes, I believe it's called Hidrocor Ocre, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this one gives off a grayish brownish look, but it still looks natural. So I really love that about this one. It still looks super natural. It doesn't look like gray, but like a grayish brown, which I really do love. Not too light, not too dark. So the next one that I am applying is called Kiwi Low Light Brown. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So this one is a bit lighter, but kind of like the ones previous that I just applied. These one are gray as well, but it also gives off a grayish brown, but more so gray, but not too light. So they still look very, very natural. So I do love that about these as well. So the last pair that I'm applying is called Stunna Girl Kamille Brown. I really did like this pair. It gives off a brownish, orangish tone, kind of cat eye vibe. It still looks natural, but it pops more than the other 5 that I applied. Yeah, don't forget to click the link in my bio to check out their website so you can order you some non or prescription contacts. Thanks for watching. Bye.